So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 25th till the 31st of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see, Capricorn. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. I have the Nine of Pentacles. This is somebody who sees you as a very independent, very super focused on money, job, career, finances kind of energy. And what this person is right now feeling like not too much attached to the situation between you and them. Let me clarify this before jumping into any kind of conclusions. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles as their feelings for you. So I have this Empress, the Death card, and the Justice. Okay, they're feeling like the growth and expansion is not happening the way they wanted it to happen, and now they feel like they should just do the right thing, and the right thing here is to focus on themselves, their money, job, career, finances, and everything. And you are doing it, and that is why they're feeling like, okay, you're not interested and you're choosing yourself over the situation. For some of you, this might be a courtroom drama or some kind of uh, you know separation or divorce kind of a thing going on, because there's nothing left in the situation anymore. But whatever it is, this person is now feeling like choosing the right direction, doing the right thing. And the right direction, the right thing here is to focus on themselves, shift all of their focus from this situation to themselves. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? I have the Ace of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like doing something stable, bringing something stable on the table, something long term, something stable, something safe and secure, so that both of you can create something meaningful. I think you are super focused on creating a business kind of a deal, or you guys are heading towards a totally new person or new energy. But whatever it is, you guys are super focused on creating something stable, long term, and safe for yourself, for your future. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as as your feelings for this particular person or situation. So I have the Nine of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups. You guys are continuously making stories and scenarios in your head about a situation that might or might not be true. So you want to start from the start, you want to start from the scratch, and this time you guys are going to make sure that you are not going to do anything wrong. You are going to play your cards well, and this playing your cards well kind of energy should lead to something meaningful, something deep, something long term. That is what you feel about a particular person or situation. So right now, you if you're not single, you are single-ish, and I know that's not a word, but understand the feelings here. And you feel like this time, with whomsoever you're going to connect with next, or even if you are planning for a reconciliation or coming back together, you guys are going to play the cards well, and you guys are going to make sure you're going to get what you really want out of this situation. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ace of Swords. They want crystal clear clarity after all of this chaos and conflict and ifs and buts and this and that. Now this person wants crystal clear clarity so that they can get the kind of success and victory that they are heading that they want from the situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords as their intentions here. I have the Ten of Wands and the Eight of Swords and the Two of Cups. This person wants to understand each and everything about the situation, like what you are up to, why this situation is making weighing them down, why they are continuously in this feeling trapped in their mind kind of energy, why things are not working out the way they should. So they want to know each and everything about the situation between you and them, your point of view, your energies, your feelings, your thoughts, and then they want to tell you their energies, their thoughts, and their feelings about the situation, and then they want to create something really meaningful and beautiful between you and them, only if it is possible. That is their intention, to clear the air with you in every possible way, and then bringing the situation back together in a beautiful and positive way, the way it should be. Okay, for you guys, for the long term. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Six of Pentacles. From your side, you want equal give and take of energy. You want equally interested and invested kind of energy from the other side too. Because according to you, from your side, you're giving your best. And you just want the equal effort and energy from the other side too. Because if it is not balanced, if it is not equal, there's no use of keeping something going. Okay. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles as your intentions for this particular person or situation. I have the Eight of Cups and the Five of Wands and the Two of Pentacles. Yes. You just want to walk away from the drama, the chaos, and the conflict, and especially if other people are also involved in the situation, whether it's family members or friends or other people, or maybe romantic partners involved in the situation from either side. So you just want to walk away from this lack of equal give and take of energy, from this drama, this chaos, this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, full of confusion kind of energy. And you want a balanced kind of energy, you want everything equal. Okay, and or you don't want it at all, because okay, this is a shit show. Honestly speaking, this is a shit show. I don't see anything positive in the situation, to be honest with you. I have a lot of cards here that is telling me and shouting at me, this is a shit show right now. Five of Wands and then Eight of Cups is like walking away. Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands, Nine of Swords, um death card. There are lots of energies in the situation that needs to be healed and properly released in order for the situation to even start working out in a positive way, the way it should. So there are lots of things that guys need to sort out before you guys can even think about coming together and starting from the start. And I don't think so that's happening, at least for the time being. It's not happening. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 31st of May. Cappies. Two of Pentacles. Okay. So there is going to be this energy of on and off, in and out, full of confusion, up in the air kind of energy, to be honest with you. I don't see any conclusion. I don't see somebody taking any kind of decision here, making any kind of solid choice here. This is going to be up in the air. If it is up in the air right now, the saga is going to continue until unless somebody is going to do something drastic here. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys, Cappies. I have the Strength card, the Hierophant, the King of Swords. Yeah, somebody's holding back a lot. Not even like 1% or 2%. They are holding back like 1,000%. Okay, and they're in this energy of, I am going to clear the air with Capricorn, and or I'm going to open up to Capricorn only and only when I'm going to feel like now I'm ready to commit, or now I'm ready to take the situation forward, and or the vice versa is also applicable. So things are going to be up in the air until unless one of you is going to make this solid choice or decision of taking the situation in their hands and talking to the other person very bluntly and honestly about what they should do next in the situation, what should be the next action, or what should be the next step in this direction, so that both of you can come on the same page and maybe work something out between you and them. Until unless you guys are going to do something about the situation, until unless you guys are going to make the solid choice or decision of really doing something about the situation, nothing is going to happen, nothing is going to change. This shit show is going to continue as long as you are want it to continue, because, and I don't see it ending also. It's like energetic game of you guys are stuck in a loop, and this loop is continuing like this from quite a long time now. I guess it's been 6 to 9 months. It's happening again and again and again, on and off, right? Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cappies. Doesn't seem to be a very positive situation here, but let's see. I have the Ace of Pentacles, the Moon card, and the Knight of Pentacles. If you are scared, or if you don't have the proper information, okay, proper clarity, clear cut clarity, and clear cut understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in a particular situation, don't start or restart any chapter until unless you guys are 100% sure from inside that this is the right direction to go ahead with, this is the right choice to make. Even if you're going to take baby steps towards your goal, towards your happiness, whatever it is that you are trying to achieve here, until unless you guys are going to have proper clarity and understanding of what you are really really looking forward to have, and if the other energy is going to give you that or not, don't make any kind of choices or decisions in that direction. Clear the air with this, with the other energy here. Simple, as simple as that. In simple words, you have to clear the air with the other person here. If they're not able to give you the kind of answers, the right answers, or the crystal clear answers that you want, it's time for you to either detach or just walk away and never look back, because I don't think so it's going to work out the way you want it to work out in the under these kind of circumstances and energies that's on my table right now. It's up to you if you want to go ahead like this and be a part of this shit show. It's completely up to you if you're enjoying it. But if you don't like it, if you're not getting what you want, it's time to say goodbye. And it's going to be very very hard, very painful, very hard. Not going to lie to you, but this is important for your growth and expansion. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the situation, take the answer as a guidance for your situation if you want to. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is let go, let go, let go. Cappies. So, at first glance, this card might seem to be suggesting that you give up your current pursuit, but that is not the message. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. Okay, that is the answer if it is making any sense to you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.